Hello, and welcome back to another video with Quark-elec. Today, we'll be using our AS10 NMEA 2000 3-in-1 environmental sensor with a Garmin TD50. Once we've established that both are connected to the same NMEA 2000 backbone, as you can see here, you can go ahead by configuring the TD50. First, we can confirm that the relevant PGNs are being picked up and are set to the correct source. By default, it is set to auto, which will work in most cases. However, we can quickly and easily set the source as the AS10 to maintain stability. We can go ahead and do this by clicking Home, Settings, Communications, Preferred Source, and you can see all of the relevant parameters here being provided by the AS10. To change the source, simply change source and hit select. As we only have the one input source here, it will choose the AS10 by default. And you can hit back and you can see the change has taken place. We can repeat these steps with the further PGNs. And there we go. Now we can choose the desired parameters, navigate back to the home page, tap home again, across to vessel again. Here, the displays can be customized as you see fit. However, with the AS10, we'll be wanting air temperature, humidity, and our atmospheric pressure, all of which will be displayed within the sailing category. To change these fields, simply press and hold, replace data into sailing. You can see where we have air temp, atmospheric pressure, and last but not least, humidity. And there we have it. As you can see, the data is now being clearly and correctly displayed. The same steps can be taken in any additional displays, as you can see on the gauges on the next page. You can see here a gauge for atmospheric pressure and air temp. And there we have it. A truly plug-and-play device with a minimal configuration as far as the display is concerned. As always, thank you for watching and happy sailing.